Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by signing into account. Microsoft. Because you must access security settings to change verification. Once signed in, go to Security Advanced Security Options. This is where you manage how Microsoft verifies you. Make sure you have at least one reachable method, phone, alternate email, or the Authenticator app so you can quickly select a replacement. You're doing this to regain control and reduce lockout risk, so double-check that listed recovery contacts are current before you proceed to add or switch methods. Now you'll add or configure the replacement methods. First, add a phone number and verify it with a code so SMS or calls are available immediately. Next, install Microsoft Authenticator and follow prompts to link your account. Authenticator gives push approvals and time-based codes, which are more secure than SMS. Also add an alternate email and request a verification message. Once confirmed, generate and securely store recovery codes in case you lose device access. These steps ensure multiple. Finish by setting your preferred verification method as the default so Microsoft prompts that method first. Then sign out and test a fresh sign-in to confirm the new method works end-to-end. Once verified, remove any outdated phone numbers or emails to prevent confusion. If you still see, try another verification method, use a saved recovery code or the recovery flow on the account site to prove ownership. If all else fails, contact Microsoft support with ID proof, but test codes and cleanup first to avoid extra steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.